friends, welcome back again to the power learning video. So in today's video we will see how to control a single load, okay, and also I will give you example of magnetic contactor, that what is the difference between a simple load controlling and the magnetic contactor controlling. So let me show you one by one. So normally we see that we have so many kinds of switches. Okay, so now as you see here, first we have, this is push button. Okay, this is normally open push button, and after that I will show you, this is normally close push button. Okay, the first one is normally open and this is normally close push button. Okay, and what else we have, this is two types, single control, single push with normally close and normally open contacts. Okay, and further we have here push button with a selector type. Okay, with two position rotary type. For example, now there is, we have one common and one normally closed and one normally open contact. Okay, so these four kinds of push button we have here. So now I will show you one by one the working of this all. Okay, so now we will keep it here like this. Okay, number 1, number 2, 3, and this is number 4. Okay, so I will give him the name. This is our NO, so I will give him PBNO, so you will remind it easily. Push button normally open, and this is PBNC. okay, after that we have, this is one push button, but we have two auxiliary contact. Okay, two separate auxiliary contact, one is NO and NC, so we will write here NO NC. Okay, but single push from the top, if you will see. Okay, we have two auxiliaries here, we have single auxiliary, but here we have two auxiliaries, and this is changeable type. Okay, once you will press, normally it is normally closed, but once we press, this will be normally open. Okay, so now here we will put here change over push button, PBCH, change over. Okay, CO, PBCO. So you will remind like this. So let me take the power supply. Okay, I will took the power supply, I will took the line. Okay, here I took the line and I place it here, and after that what I will do, I will take the wire. Okay, I took the wire and I make it till here. Then now I will give power to all. Okay, so you will understand very easily in one shot how these all are working. Okay, and also I will connect now here, these all are our live wires. Okay, after that we will connect our neutral also. First I will show you how to connect this all wiring. Okay, so this is done. Now I will take lamp as a load, so we'll connect the lamp here. Okay, this is our pilot lamp, so I connect here, I connect here, also this one here, so I will extend, this will connect here, and this is here. Okay, now what we will do, the remaining of our supplies we will connect here and here. Okay, now what is required, required is neutral. Okay, I bring one neutral here. Okay, and I will connect with all our lamps with the neutral. Okay, now you see this is neutral, this is neutral, this is neutral, this is neutral, and this is neutral. Okay, so what we will do now, we'll give identity. This is L1, we will say L1 lamp 1. Okay, and this is our L2, and here we have L3. Okay, here we have L4. This is our L5, and this is L6. Okay, so here I forget to connect one neutral, so I will connect it now. Okay, so now friends, I will simulate this circuit. Okay, so now you see what happened in the first. Once I simulate, you see this lamp is on, this lamp is on, this lamp is on. Why these lamps are on? This is the question. Because here we are using normally closed contact, because once the power is there, all the supply pass and the lamp is on. Okay, now you will see this is normally open, so there is no contact between the lights, so there is no power. But once I press and I keep hold, it will press. Okay, it will on, but now it's not on. I will see, maybe there is a connection problem between our light. Okay, I will see what is the problem. Okay, I will put it here. Okay, I remove this wire and I connect again the correct wire. Okay, now it's connected correctly, and now I connect here the neutral again. Okay, now I will simulate. Okay, now you see this is on. Okay, once I press this, even still it's not working. I have to check where is the issue. I think here we have issue. We have issue here, I think so. So let us connect this. Okay, and simulate again. So in now you see once I press and hold, now I am press and hold, so the light is on. If I remove, the spring will go back and the light is off, as you see. Okay, this is normally open. Once we press, supply is there. If we remove our finger, power is off. Here is opposite. If I press the finger, the contact is open and lamp is off. If I remove my finger, the button, the light is on. Okay, this is the common difference between normally open and normally closed push buttons. Okay, now what we have here, we have one NONC with single push. Okay, so how it will work? Now you see this lamp is on and this is off. Okay, so now I will press. Now you see it is changed. Once I press the push button, the L4 is on now and L3 is off. But once I will remove the finger, L3 is on. Okay guys, I hope you're understanding. This is very simple thing. So once we press, it's working L4. Once I remove the finger, it's closing again. Okay, what we have here, this is single contact, but we have two. Okay, single contact push button with changeover contact. Okay, now you see this is normally closed, 11 and 12. This is normally closed. So our circuit, I will make it enlarge for you so you guys easily see. Okay, now you see if I press L6, lamp will be on. If I remove my finger, so L5 again on. This L6, this L5, L6. You see, if I click, if you see the click sound, if I click, it will on the L6. But if I remove my finger, it will on L5. Okay, so these are the simple steps how to make the use of push buttons. So I hope that you understand all the kind of push button. So now I will show you in next step how we will control one magnetic contactor, okay, and how we will latch and unlatch of magnetic contactor. Okay, so for magnetic contactor, what we need first, we need push button. Okay, which push button we need? Okay, so here we will took one push button normally close and one push button normally open. Okay, and I will took here the magnetic contactor coil. Okay, this is the coil, so you understand now. Okay, and what else we have? We need auxiliary contact. We need one auxiliary contact, okay, which I place here. Okay, and also I will took the power contactor power contacts to show you how it's working with the motor. Okay, so this is, so the first part is control and the second part is power. So now I will connect first the power. Okay, I will bring 3 phases. Okay, I bring 3 phase here, I leave it here. Okay, then I will took the wire, connection wire. Okay, let me see, let me adjust little bit. Okay, I adjust this now, and now I connect line 1, line 2, line 3. Okay, also we will bring a 3-phase motor. Okay, here we have our motor, 3-phase motor, and here I will connect the 3-phase motor, something like this. Okay, this is connected. Okay guys, so now our power circuit is complete. Now how we will make our control circuit? So let me show you one by one. Our control circuit is here, all the accessories are here. This is our contactor, and this is our normally open push button. This is here. Okay, this you have to see this is KM. Okay, so this is our contactor, but here is the coil, so we have to make the same label so it will work, it will interconnect. Okay, this is KM. Okay, so this is KM. Also this contact, auxiliary contact of KM. Okay, okay, how we will do? Let me adjust. Okay, what we will do guys, here we will take power from our main circuit L1. Okay, then I connect here our this contact and here. Okay, now I need the neutral, I need neutral. Okay, here I have my neutral and I will rotate it. Okay, this I rotate. Okay, what I will do, I will connect it here. Okay friends, okay, what I will do now, let me see, we will not connect now this is the second part, so you will understand easily. I will start simulating. Okay, once I start the simulation, you see now, okay, there is a problem in our circuit. As you see, power is not turning on. Where is the problem? I will see now. We have to make it off. Okay, let's see where is our problem. I hope here. Okay, let me try again. No, I think okay, as you see, what is the problem now? Because we have 2 switches here with the same label, we didn't make the numbering, so it's wrongly operated. So now you see, I will stop the simulation and I will give him on. This is our on push button, and this is our off. Okay friends, so now you see I will turn on the simulation. Okay, look, now our motor is working. Once I press the on button, it's working, but I keep holding the the on button with my finger. If I remove now, it's off. If I turn on, it's on. But what we need, once we press the on button, the motor will keep running, and once we press the off button, it will off. Now it is working only with the push of my finger. If I push my finger, it's working. If I remove my finger, motor is off. So how we will do this? Okay, here we have this contact of KM. As you see, now once I press the on button, this KM contact, this contact is also on. Okay, this KM contact is also on. How we will use this in order to latch the contactor? Okay, so what we will do, look, now if you see, I will on the simulation again. If you see, the power is here. Okay, what we will do, we will stop simulating. Okay, I took one wire from here, from in between off and on push button. Okay, and the other wire I took it from here, and in parallel I connected here. So what I did, I put normally open contact of this contactor coil and put it in parallel of normally open push button, in simply, very simple. So now let us see what we did and what is the result. Okay, so now I press, as you see now I press and remove my finger. This button is normally open now, but our motor is working. You see friends, now our motor is hold without I am pressing the on button, because it is taking power from this path, the parallel path. Okay, so motor is working through parallel path. Okay, now if we want to off the motor, now we will use this off button. If you will press, you see, now I press and remove my finger, the motor is off. So I hope guys you understand. If you have any question about it, please let me know, comment in the below section, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I hope you like this video. Hope to see you very soon in next video. I will make series of this kind of videos to show you the control circuits, how we are working. So thank you very much for the watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.